about her. Someday I'll be fine.
How can I stop worrying about you? I love you so much. Honestly, you don't know how worried I've always been seeing you sick. I can spend anything I have just to see you back on your feet. See you healthy.
Mom, I love you, Mom. Soon, I'm going for my treatment. By the time I come back, I'll be fine. But please, one thing I need you to do is to be strong for me. Promise me, Mom. Yeah, hello, who is this? Hey! So big, DJ Baski, DJ Bakobi. Yeah, I miss you. Oh, okay, yeah. You know what you do? Forward me your account number, and I'll credit you right away. Alright. I hope you will be fighting in the village. Okay. Alright. Don't worry, someday I'll come visit in the village. Okay. Alright, thank you very much. Alright, take care of yourself.
Oh, what's that? Are you in love again?
Come on. No, it's my DJ friend, a female actually. Oh, the DJ that played at OP's traditional yesterday. Oh, she's so funny. She messed up the marriage that they refused to pay her balance. So I took it upon myself, gave her my number to call me so I can send her her balance. So she just called me.
It's okay. I'm thinking if you're going into a new relationship, you know why I'm thinking that way.
Oh, yeah, I know. Don't worry. If you see this girl, Mom, you will like her. She's always making me happy. Yeah, I know. See, she's so funny. She's so messed up the marriage that she played Ogini all through the marriage. Obi and his wife could not even dance.
Tell me something.
They could not even dance.
Really?
And at the end of the day, she wanted to fight everybody.
Hey, look who we have here. Bro, I'm so happy to see again. I'm so happy to see this.
Oh, thank you.
I'm fine. Mommy.
Right.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm good, sweetheart.
Yeah, you are. You're looking so hot and pretty.
Thank you.
Alright, Mom. I'm gonna leave you guys because I'm going out.
Okay.
Yeah.
Your brother is telling me a lot of stories.
Really? I am not part of this story.
No. This story is not for baby. It's not for baby like you.
Ijoma, where is your father and your brother? Where is your father and your brother?
What is this? Eh? Oh, you have come to collect your own beating, right?
What did you say? Me?
What?
What is this? You want to fight, eh? No, you want to fight me. Hey! Papa, leave him! Papa, leave him! Papa, leave him! You want to fight me? Alice! Papa, leave him! Papa, okay, if I can't get up again, okay? No. Leave me and Alice, Leave me and Alice. Okay. Alice, it's me and you. Alice, here now. Alice, here now. I'm respecting you.
Mama, we are leaving. But before we do so, I need to remind you that this is so unkind of you. Why can't you take my wife as your daughter-in-law? Is it because she's not your biological daughter or what? Hey, and you, Udoka, I know when to get you. You will come running for money, I know when to get you.
Obi, go! Go with her! Take and go. Since you have the mind to go against my wish to marry this girl, you both will see fire from me. You will see fire! Fire! Fire from mountain, from me. And it has not ended though. I will come to the city, that's your house in the city. I will come there and she will see the real work from me. Oh yes!
Mama, what have I done? Why do you hate me so much?
I hate you. I don't like you. I hate you. I don't like you. Did you see me and my daughter at your traditional marriage? Did you? Better leave. My son will not marry an actress. You are a harlot.
Mama, enough!
Shower.
Enough of that, Mama. Mama, you can't call my wife names before me. No, you can't do that. Honey, get into the car, let's go. Come on.
Brother, so this is what you say, ba?
Honey, just go.
What is what you say? You are disrespecting Mama because of this thing, this girl.
If I get you.
And as for you, Juma. You. As for you.
You will see me. It has not ended.
I will make here very unbearable, very hot for you.
Don't go with this thing. Mama, let me know.
Let them go. I'll show up.
Why did you leave so early?
The sister called him last night that the mother had a problem. So, and they said it was so urgent. So he had to leave.
And he didn't even tell me. I would have taken him to the village.
He doesn't want to disturb you. But he told me he will come back today or tomorrow, depending on the outcome.
Peter, there's something I've been meaning to tell your friend, but I don't know how to say it.
Okay.
You know, I've had so many men come my way, but I've never really liked anyone the way I like your friend. See, it's not easy for me to say, but I have to because of the way I feel about him.
Nina, I understand how you feel. It's not that my friend does not feel the same way. He feels the same way. But the truth is, he's afraid to say it.
Are you for real?
Yes. He confided in me. He loves you. The truth is, you need to give him time so that he can open up to you. Okay?
Okay, but can we go to his village? Do you know the way?
There's no need for that. He told me he'll come back today. So let's leave it. And he even said I should write the test for him. I will do that.
Okay, see, if your friend ends up dating me, I will surprise the both of you. I like him a lot.
Are you serious? Don't worry. See, let me tell you something. Trust me. I will finish it. I will do the job for you.
Are you serious?
Trust me, I have the power. If I will do it. So relax.
If you do that for me, what I will do for you?
Really?
Just leave it.
I will surprise you.
I will surprise you too. You will see.
What do we do? How are we going to get money for my treatment?
Mama, don't worry. Brother has asked Sobe to sell the land so we can get money from there.
God will bless Sobe.
Amen.
God will bless her. I don't want her to be having issues with Ibokwe. That man is evil.
Yes. Don't worry, Sobe will sell her land. Sorry. You know that land has been the problem between her and the uncle. Let her sell it so the man can rest. Brother has called the man that will buy the land. You go for your operation, okay?
Good for you. This is your property. I don't want to see you with my eyes. Get out of this compound.
Uncle, where am I going to?
Get out!
I
said get out!
Whose place?
Get out!
Only me.
Get out!
Only me.
Yes. Hey. Come. With your talk of business, get out! Get out! I said get out!
I'll go my bag.
No, hey. With your talk of business, get out!
Where will I put on?
Get out! Sobe, get out!
How will I push everything?
Sobe, get out!
Oh,
get out!
Oh, where will I?
Hey, get out!
Okay,
Get out! Leave. Sobe, I said get out.
The mixer ran.
Everything out. Sobe, I said get out.
Go! Uncle threw me out of the house.
How?
He sent me away. Me and my truck of business.
I don't understand. Like he sent you out of the house?
I said, Uncle, he said, get out with your truck of business. Get out. I said, only me? He said, no, with your truck of business. No space. Get out.
That's incredible. Is he retarded? Eh? Is he okay to send you out of your own house?
I still asked him. I should go and come back. He said, no, get out. Your truck of business.
It's okay, alright? All I know is that they will suffer. In a few months' time, I will become a barrister. And I'm going to sue them to court. I am going to charge them for unprecedented bedevilment. And I'll personally make sure they rot in jail. Read my mouth. They will rot in jail. Your wicked uncle will rot in jail.
This new crime now, you have to add it to all the ones that he has done before. This new crime.
Yes, this is molestation. This is incredulity. I will make sure I charge them for incredulity, molestation, and unprecedented bedevilment. Read my lips, they will rot in jail. I promise you that.
Please, Ari, add that. Get out. Add it.
All of them is involved in the crime he committed, okay? It's okay. I understand how you feel, but right now, okay, you have to change because that man is right there waiting for us at that land, okay? It's okay.
Get out.
It's okay.
With your truck of business, money, get out.
I'm going to sue them. I promise you that, okay? See, they are trying me in this
Adi, come. Let me explain to you how the get out was. Please come. Please.
Will die this time. She wants to try me. Okay.
Papa, what is this?
Ijoma, can't you see with your eyes? See, I will take this thing. I will tie it in that land. I will also add palm front to it. Anyone that steps into that land will die. Or they will run away.
Papa! No, Papa, no. Papa, don't kill her. Papa, if you kill her, people will curse you. No, I'm not supporting that one. Don't kill her.
I don't care. I don't care at all. See, let me tell you. You see this thing, what I have here? This one will give them weak low. Then their legs will swell up. Then they will rush back to me and begin to beg me. Let me go.
Papa, please, don't kill her. Please. Eh?
Let me go and keep it there first.
The tears I cry for love, my broken heart.
Honey, what are you doing here? You have to come in and unpack your things.
I am not happy. How can I marry and my husband's family are not happy with me?
Honey, I have told you times without number not to worry yourself. I know my mom. With time she will calm down.
When would that be? No woman will marry and experience hatred from day one and be happy about it.
Honey, look. I understand you. I understand you very well. But what do you want me to do? To beat her? I know my mom is a difficult woman. Not two ways about that. But look, you're right here in the city. You're home. We're out of the village. Okay? Now look at me. Smile. Just for me. Okay? Come on. You know I love you.
I love you too.
Oh, my phone. Hello. Yeah, you're back to the city. You're coming? All right. We're expecting you then. Okay. It's Collins. He said he's coming.
Collins is coming and we don't have any drink at home.
I will take him out for a drink. Smile, come on.
Yes. I didn't know it's this big.
Here.
From down there, down to that side.
To the end. That is why my uncle wants to kill me for this land.
Now I see. Now I see.
How much do you think I should sell it?
My dear, this land I'm seeing is worth 2 million naira. If let me see how that will be possible. You are looking for my trouble. Sobe, so you are trying me. Arinze, you want to enter trouble. Let me see how you are going to sell this land.
Uncle, I don't want any problem more. You have sent me out of the house. This is my land. I want to sell it. I'll sell it if I want to sell it to Uncle. I don't want any trouble.
Eh? You are talking to me like that? Yes, now she's talking to allow her to sell her land.
Uncle,
acting mother, your age.
Uncle, you are pressing my neck
alone
now.
Uncle,
you know you don't have any strength again. You are pressing my neck.
Leave her alone now.
You are pressing my neck.
Leave her alone. Uncle.
Hey! He's dead though. Eh? You killed him.
Subin.
Eh?
What do we do now?
We? It's not we. It's what they do. Hey! have to do something.
Thank God you're back.
What's the problem? Where is Papa?
Sobe has come to pack her things. Papa sent her out of the house, so she came to pick her things.
Good. It's better that she left this household. Because had it been I met her here, what I'm going to do to her? Eh? I'm happy that Papa has sent her out. Let me see her in this house again.
Brother,
she will see the rest out of me.
Before she left, she said she's going to sell that land. So Papa went to tie something on the land. Red material, one funny looking plastic.
This is good. I support Papa in this one. In fact, I am going there right now to meet him. In case Arinze and Sobe comes to fight. I'm going to deal with them. Stay here, I'm coming.
Arinze, you should not have pushed him. You should not have pushed him.
It was just a little push now. I just pushed him small and he fell down. Weren't you there? Normally he's meant to just stand up. Nah, you can't know this over there. We have to run away from this village. We just have to run.
Bah, that is a bad idea. If you run now, they will say it's me. They will say it's me. You know you're a lawyer. It was tug of war, two men fighting. You defend it, it's two men fighting.
Why are you talking like this now? Why are you talking like this? I'm not even a court clerk here. Don't talk more of being a lawyer. I'm still studying. Please now. So, please, if you love me, this is the right time to show for it, please. You know how much I want to be a barrister. If I go to jail now, my career is ruined. Our career, our future. Please.
It's not our career. I'm a DJ. If I go to jail, music stop. I don't want to go to jail.
Now, Sube, you're a woman. If you tell them you both were dragging and he fell down, no one will talk, no one will beat you. But me, if they knew it's me, they will even kill me or even send me to jail. Please. Let me just run back to school. You just tell them. You just go back there and tell them you did it. Please now. Please. 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 So we just go. I'll be here waiting.
Let me go and check what is happening there first. Then I come and tell you.
Okay. Go. Just go and come back. I'm here. Please. Make sure you don't come back with anyone, please. So, babe, just go. Do this for your love now. Do this for your love. I don't want to go to jail. Please. Just go. Make sure you don't come with anyone, So, babe, go there. Make sure you don't come with anyone. Please. Oh my God. So big. Go now. What? What kind of problem is this now? What kind of problem? You know you're not healthy, you'll be fighting. Nah, I'm not. Serious temptation. Serious temptation.
So they want to sell the land. I say, one. That has been that stupid Arinze's plan. If that boy, he will suffer. That boy will suffer.
Mama, don't worry. Papa has gone to that land to put something in the land. If they step their foot on that land, they will have problem. Guess now, even Onyeka, he went there to stay with Papa, so they bring their stupid and useless buyers. They will all have problem.
Good. Very good. Let me see how they will succeed. If that girl, Fotobe, she's so weak. I've never seen somebody with that kind of blackness. Very heartless girl. Give your uncle land, let him sell. And give you some money. Give your cousin to start a business in the city. No. Instead, she wants to do DJ and be dancing like a mad woman all over the place. As she's getting the money, she's using it to train Arinze. marry.
Why you wanna ask what can
Oh, I'm marrying here.
Let me see where that one will end.
Huh? Papa is dead. Somebody push Papa. Papa hit his head on the ground and he died. I'm going right away to call boys. Somebody will die today. Wait.
Baby, are you? What happened? Hey. Hey. Dead though. You see, this is my life. You see, this is my life. Is this my life? Suffer from bed. You see, this is my life now. Hey.
So, what happened? Talk to me now. Have you told them you did it? Did you tell them you did it?
Stop there! Stop there! You killed my father. Somebody, you killed my father. Yes, I killed him. You will die today. Yes. Somebody, you will die today.
Wait. Let's take her home. Let's take her home before police comes.
She must go to the prison.
Oh yeah?
Yes, sir. Move, go. Move. Move. Don't die, you will die. You will die today.
The tears I cry for love. My broken heart breaks for love. I'm just a fool, suffering for love.
Are you serious? So, when are you coming back?
Oh, I don't think it's 2 or 3 months.
You know, I know that God Almighty is going to heal you in Jesus' name.
Amen. I'm so sorry about your health. It could be the occasional stress and physical.
Oh, thank you very much. Anyways, I've come to understand that my life is at the now. You see, any day I sleep and don't wake up, I know that is how it is.
No, Collins, don't sound that way. Please, come out of that. You can't die this young. No, you can only die at a appointed time that God has destined for you. You're going to get married. You're going to give birth to your own children.
Come on. Stop patronizing me with words. I hate all this encouragement. Stop, I hate pity. With my illness, with my condition, which woman is ready to accept me? Talk of having a family with me. Huh? See. Anyways, it's alright. Live happy and live at peace with people around you.
Collins, you will be okay. Just believe it. I know in no time this sickness will be a thing of the past.
Right now, I'm not too bad. Oh, I gave that girl her balance.
You did?
Yes.
That foolish girl. Contacting her was the biggest mistake of my life.
Oh, thank God you know that.
Come on guys. Stop saying that. Stop saying that. You see, that girl was the best thing that happened to me. Yes. Oh, I took her number today. And once I'm back from my treatment, I'm going to look for that girl. See, I have this feeling that when I'm with that girl, when I finally become her friend, I'll always be happy.
Always be happy, yeah. That local champion. Anyway, she's going to make you happy. If that's what you deserve. Why not? Why am I to go against that?
Alright, thank you very much. You know, everything I need right now is to be happy. I want everything around me to make me happy.
So, how far would that deal?
How did you go? Have you sold the land? The doctor came here to ask if we have raised the money.
Yes. Mama, there's a problem.
What is it?
What is it? Where is Sobe?
What is it now?
Mama, CHIBOY is dead.
How did it happen? What killed him?
Actually, is it Sobe?
Why now? Sobe, why now? Sobe, why?
How did it happen?
Actually, when we got to the land, so Mazi Igbo came there.
Yes.
So, and we are now dragging. So, finally, Sobe pushed him and he fell down.
Hey! Oh, Igbo has finally gotten what he wants.
What I want to do now, I want to start running back to school. The only money I have now is the money they paid her for the event. So let me just use it and run back to school.
Arise, did you put your hand in the fight?
No, I didn't put hand. But you know how police behaves now. They might come now and arrest me. And if they arrest me, that means my studies will be no more. My own will be finished.
Mama, brother, you have to run.
No, it's not good. Are you going to allow Sobe suffer this alone?
I know. For now, I just want to go back first and calm my head down. Then I'll think of the possible way to help her. But for now, I need to run and hide.
Let him go.
Mama, please take care of me. I'm coming.
Oh,
take care of Mama.
Hey! Sobe!
I'm waiting to see if his number will connect, but it's not even going through. I need to know if he's coming back today. I've been trying it since.
Maybe it's network. I can see somebody's missing my friend here.
You know I told you I like him a lot.
Yeah, I know. But I have told you, don't worry. You don't need to bother yourself. I've told you, relax. I will do it. When I say I will do it, I will do it. I have the power. I have the power to do it. Don't worry. Don't worry yourself.
Are you serious?
I'm serious. You know you told me you don't have a boyfriend.
I don't.
Yes, so I said leave it for me. I'll make him your boyfriend. I will make him. He will follow you bomber to bomber. You don't need to bother yourself.
Serious?
Don't worry.
You know what? If you do this for me, consider the both of you walking in my mom's chamber once we are called to bar.
Really?
Seriously, I'll do it for the both of you.
In that case, I will do it for you.
Are you serious?
I will make you happy. See, Hadiz here. I control him. I will tell him what to do. If I tell him do this, he will do it. Hey. You don't know me. Hey. Relax. Don't bother yourself, okay? Relax.
Move. You will die. You will die. Do not think why with this woman. You will die, Sobe. You will die in prison. Go and die. You will never come back. With you. You will rot in jail. How do we punish you, Mama? You will die, Sobe. You will die. It will not be well with you.
Tears I cry for love.
So this is how you ended up in prison. Hey!
Mama, look at Sobe. What if it was brother that they arrested? What would have happened to us, Mama?
God knows I will not endure it.
Hey!
This is the reason I told my son to take it easy with that man. Ibokwe. Hey! I hope you are happy now. Ibokwe, you have finally gotten what you've been looking for in Sobe's hand. A girl that did nothing to you. Tell me, what will he get now that Sobe is in prison?
No, I don't know. Amaro, sorry. No. I just pray brother will help when he becomes a barrister.
Now look at me.
It's okay.
How will I continue my treatment? Tell Chibo. Is it how I'm going to die?
Mama, let's go inside. Let's go. Let me help you. Be cool.
Wait, so this girl is this dangerous? Hey.
No, don't see it like that. That man has been very troublesome. That man has been very troublesome. Now he has seen what he's looking for. Eh? So
This is terrible. This is terrible. You could have called me. You could have called me. Do you know that Nina has been here since we dismissed from class?
Just stop. I don't want to hear anything concerning Nina. Do you know what is going through my head? You're talking about Nina. My Supreme is in the police custody, and you're here talking about Nina.
I pity that girl. I pity her. But no matter what, she couldn't have gone that extent of killing her uncle. Did you see what I've been telling you? This is what I've been telling you. Do you know this now could have been you? This could have been you. She would have killed. Huh? See, leave her, let her face her matter. Let her face her case.
I really don't know how Nina will see it. If I should beg her to assist me to bring her out, maybe talking to her mother or something like that.
Guy, don't even try it. Don't try it. I don't understand, though. Do you think at all? Huh? I don't understand. If you see how this girl talks about you, if you see how she feels for you, you will not even have the mind, you will not have the mouth to tell her anything like this. Let me ask you, what will you tell her? Okay, you will say, Nina, please help me and talk to your mother to come and rescue my girlfriend. She killed her uncle. I think she'll be happy. Guy, leave that girl, leave that family. Leave that family.
What is going to happen now? They must be taken out to the police station now. Why?
See, Arinze, see, let me tell you. Arinze, sit down. Sit down, let me tell you something.
I don't want to sit down. I'm not in the mood of sitting down. I don't even know what to do now.
Let me tell you. See, Arinze. See, do you know what we need right now? See, let me tell you. Arinze, do you know what we do now? Do you know what we need right now? What we need now is concentration. We have exam ahead of us. Big exam for that matter. So what we need right now is concentration. We need to read our book. See, let me tell you what you will do. Just leave Sobe for now. Leave that girl for now. Let's write this exam and pass. Later you will not come and know how you will help her. See, let me tell you, when we are called to bar, you will not come out as, okay, let me know how to help her. Please.
That girl will be passing through a lot now.
I know. Do you know I've been here since reading? I can't read for both of us. I read only my own. I read. See, come and read your book. That's what we need right now.
Oh, Mama, thank you very much. God will bless you. If not for you, I don't know what my life would have been.
Mama, you don't have to thank me. Arinze here is my guy. And I cannot see him have problems without assisting him. No.
That's true, Mama. Nina here is a very nice person. She is. And one good thing we should embrace right now is the fact that her mother is the chief judge of our country.
Guinea. That is good to hear.
I love her because she doesn't like showing herself. I mean, some people would come with escort and stuff, but she's just natural.
You're saying the truth. No.
Thank you.
Ego. Nina is a very nice person. You need to thank her.
Should I dance for her? So you know someone like her mother and you've not gone to see Sobe?
That is true. When was the last time you visited Sobe in the prison?
Mama, actually, the truth is I haven't gone. But you see, I've been very busy with school.
Arinze, I don't want to hear that. Please, we should look for a way and go and visit her. Don't you know she'll be feeling too bad?
That's true, Mama. We will. We'll go to visit her.
A sudden visit. Where are you coming from?
Mugu, Zam. The last time you saw me, where did you see me?
I saw you in the village. Are you going back to school or what?
Hey, seriously, what kind of stupid question are you asking me? Please, allow me to enter my brother's house peacefully. I did not come here to answer your jam question. Don't think you have arrived, because war is coming. You will run, no? War is coming. Just get prepared.
Want this girl. Why are you being unnecessarily rude? This girl you're seeing is a God sent. We should be grateful to God for bringing us such person. And you're there being rude to her.
That will not make you not to see what you can do for Sobe. She tried for this family too. If you want to get married to Nina or Ninka, I will support you.
Arinze, I don't know where you and the lady are going. But we don't have to forget Sobe. The world will laugh at us.
Oh. Mama, I am not forgetting anybody. Alright? But what would you have me do? I am not a barrister yet. I can't do nothing. It's through Nina that I will still get to help Sobe. At this point, I'm helpless. Can't you see reasons with me? I'm not that wicked for crying out loud.
You are right. Ego, your brother has plans. Let's support him.
Mama, I will not support him. Sobe is his girl. He has to do something for her.
Will you shut up? Of course I know that.
Nina or Nina,
what do you mean I have to do something?
Baby. Are you not done?
Yeah, almost.
Mama. You're welcome. Okay.
So let's be going.
Okay. Nina, greet your mother for me. Thank you so much for all the things you have done and the things you brought for me. God will bless you.
Mama, you have no problem, okay? You have this all the time. Yes. Okay. I forget. Okay, Mama. Have this little token for your upkeep.
Hey, what? Little token, quoi?
Come on, Mama. That's Nina for you. That's Nina for you.
Thank you, my daughter. God will bless you.
Amen. Amen. And, okay.
Ego. Okay, let me see what I have for you. Okay. Have this.
Thank you. There are people that need it more than I do, especially people in the prison. So keep your money.
Ego, are you mad?
Mama, don't worry. Sometimes.
What is going on here?
I can see that you're very, very blind. You can see that I'm enjoying myself in my brother's house. I'm eating fruit.
So, after insulting me, you have the guts to go to my fridge and take my food without my permission?
Did I hear you call this your fruit? This is my brother's house. This is also my brother's money. This fruit was bought with my brother's money. Do you understand? Please let me be. Really? It's my fruit.
Oh, let me educate you. That was then. Your brother now has a wife. And you must respect that fact whether you accept me as his wife or not. He paid my bride price in full. So, deal with it. As for this fruit,
leave this food now. Leave this food now. I will beat you. I will beat you. I'll beat you one. I'll beat you. Beat now. If you throw this food there, leave this food. Are you stupid? In my brother's house. You want to fight me in my brother's house? You want to fight me in my brother's house? Leave this house. This is my husband's house. This is my husband's house.
Baby, what is it?
Arinze, I demand to know what that was about at your house. Why was your sister reacting that way towards me?
Well, actually, my sister Ego is not happy because of Sobe. You know, she's still in prison.
I heard her talk about that. Were you guys dating? Because I don't get this. Why all that?
Yes, we were dating, but we stopped dating since I left the village to school. I didn't want to tell you because I'm scared of what
Wait. Arinze. Oh, so you lied to me? That means you lied to me that she's your sister. Arinze, you know I hate lies a whole lot. If I find that there is more between you and that girl, I will not take it lightly with you. Yes. I won't. Yeah, I may be in love with you, but that does not mean that I am mad. I am not.
I'm sorry for lying to you. That won't repeat itself again.
Oh, you better not.
It's okay, baby. I'm sorry. Okay? But just that I need to visit her in prison.
Did you push her to kill her uncle or what? Allow her stay there and face her crime. Let her pay for it. And I don't want to talk about this again.
Okay. But, you know, for friendship purposes, I still need to visit her. Okay? I need to visit her.
Okay, fine. If you will go visit her, that means I'm going with you. Because there's no way I'm going to let you go there alone. So when you're ready, let me know so we can go together.
Just leave me alone. I will say it anyhow I like. She can be angry for all I care. Why would she come to the back to listen to what you were saying? When did she get close to brother that she's this close to him? Is it your business? If not for her, tell me, what would have become of me?
Mama, is it what you're saying?
Have you forgotten how Sobe has helped us? This is not fair, Mama. It's not fair, oh! Okay, you are mad. Did I say Sobe has not been useful to us? You have made your point and your brother have agreed to go visit her, and here you are insulting his woman. Let me remind you if you have forgotten. My son Arinze has every right to choose any woman he wants. When do you think Sobe will come out of the prison? When? Allow me to eat this money she gave me in peace. Look at money, Nego. Look at it, Eh? Look at money. Do you even know how much she sent for my treatment?
It's okay, no problem. One day I will get money, go to the city to look for Sobe. I will not forget her like that, okay? I will not forget her.
And who has forgotten her?
Leave alone, before.
Come and eat money with me. Sobe is in prison and you are talking about.
I cry for love, my broken heart.
Why did I not listen to Uncle? That is your problem. You don't listen. That is why you are here now. If I had known, I would have sold the land by myself. Or I wouldn't have even sold the land. Or I will sell the land, give Onyedika some money to start business. Use the rest and start something for myself. That way, Uncle will not have died. Now you are here. I'm here now. Cut grass every day. Cut grass. Grass cutter.
I'm tired. Let's go home.
Bamba. I haven't even started. We have so much to do. We need to work so that we can raise plenty money for you to go to school with.
But at least we won't be working with empty stomach now. I'm hungry.
Me, I'm not hungry. You know I am a machine. I do not get tired. We have to finish this work today by fire by force so that we can take another one for tomorrow. And then we can raise plenty money for you to go to school with.
Oh. So, Bem, my only melanin popping baby.
Amaka.
My only chokomilo.
Amaka.
What could I have done without you?
Yeah? Arinze, what does that mean? Don't do anything without me. Oh. Don't just do anything without me because I will kill you.
Hey, my love, you're not even getting what I mean. I mean, I cannot live without you. That's what I mean, okay? You see, once I finish with my school and become a lawyer, then I will treat you like a queen you are. I'll take you places.
I cannot wait for you to finish. Because too many people in this village talking to me anyhow. Once you finish and become a lawyer, I just call them and say, Diane, they come. I say, open your eye. They open. I spit inside. They ask me. I say, open your eye. They open. I spit inside. It's poisonous.
Go ahead and spit into anyone's eye. In fact, if anyone messes up, I sue the bastard. So it's official lawyer speaking.
I'll do the work.
Okay. But you have to be fast, yeah? So we'll go home.
Yes. I finish it.
Don't worry. Let me join you.
Sobe. Mama. You know I like eating your food. Yes, I know.
I will enjoy it today.
You will. In fact, once Arinze finish reading law and I follow him to the city, I have a plan. I open a very big restaurant.
Oh, choir?
Yes. Everybody in the city, once they eat my food, they will run mad.
No problem. Let we that are in the village enjoy first.
Yes.
There's a problem. You have to come now. It looks like your uncle wants to sell that land. I saw him there with one man.
I see. The document of that land is with me. I hid it somewhere.
Talking about document. He can forge the document and sell the land.
Hey, can you do that?
Of course now. Let's go.
Arinze, Sobe, be careful.
Hey, I can do that.
Yes.
What are you doing in this plot of land? What are you looking at?
Chibi, can't you see with your two eyes that I am with him?
Uncle, I cannot see anything. Uncle, my eye is not working. I can only hear your voice. I cannot see anything because this is my land and I don't want to sell it.
But you actually told me this land belongs to you.
Listen, don't mind this girl. Where on earth will you say a woman owns a land?
Oh, is that what you think? No, is that what you think? Listen, Oga, I am a law student. It is wrong to trespass in a land that doesn't belong to you. Okay? So if you dare try to buy this land, I promise you I will sue you in future. I will sue your ass in future.
It's okay. Okay, Bokwe. I'm not going to do this any longer. Thank you. Thank you.
Come.
Sobe? Uncle. Sobe?
Uncle.
Yellow Papa.
I will deal with two of you. I will deal with two of you. It's okay. I know what to do. Don't worry. I know what to do.
Uncle, forget. How do you want to sell land that is not
Don't
yours?
worry.
Is that how you do?
I will deal with both of you.
I put it to you that is wrong.
What is wrong with people? I will condemn.
I do not understand anything you have said, but I know that you told him that the land belongs to me because my father gave it to me. Where?
Exactly. Constitutionally wrong. They don't trespass in a land that is not yours. No, sorry, dears. I'm talking to them, actually. Let's go. Your land is intact, my dear.
Yes. That's why I told my uncle I cannot see him. I only hear him. I did not want to sell the land.
Come here.
Uncle.
Come here.
You fall again. No?
Sobe,
What's happening?
tell your cousin to hand that document over to me. Now, I'll kill you.
Why are you proving so bad? What does that mean? What does that mean? I'm going somewhere. I cannot give you this document, Uncle. I don't want any problems. Uncle, I don't want any problems. I don't want any problems. You're not going anywhere. Bring it.
Put it here. Put it here, Sobe.
I cannot give you. I cannot give you. Papa, stand aside. Uncle. You see now. You see now. You follow.
Sobe, you and that yellow pawpaw, I will deal with both of you. Don't bring the document here now. I will deal with both of you.
Papa, should I run after her?
Leave them for me. I will deal with both of you.
Papa, should I run after her?
No. Leave it for me. Hi!
Ari!
So, babe, how are you?
I'm fine. I know that you are ready, but there's something I want to discuss with you.
Okay, have a seat then.
Arimo! Hey! You know that you are the only thing that I have in my life now. Yes, I do not want to put my trust in my uncle and his family. I don't trust him at all. So because of that, I brought the document of the land for you to help me and keep it. In fact, take it. If you want to sell it, no problem. If you want to keep it, your decision. That's my decision.
So my only melanin popping baby. My asanwa. Wow, my love. Maybe you have done well. But you see, I am not going to sell this land. I am going to keep it for you. It's your land, okay? Instead, I will archive it.
That's right. I know. That is why I love you. Because I know that if I bring this paper to you, you will finish it with grammar. That's right.
My love. So the best time for us to sell this land would be when I'm done with school, when I'm done with my law school. We will sell the land and relocate to the city.
Yes, I want us to go to the city because I know what I want to do when we get to the city. I want to open a restaurant. Yes, I have already told Mama about it.
Oh, you want to be making those palatable dishes for the public now, not for me.
I'll make for you too. Ari. Hi.
Besobe,
Yeah?
don't worry about your family, okay? Don't worry about your wicked uncle, about your family. When I'm done schooling, like when I'm called to bar, then I'll put it to them that all they've been doing is wrong. I'll come to them, I'll face them the way squarely, okay?
That's
I'll
right.
face them squarely.
That's right.
So don't worry, okay? But keep the papers for now. When I'm done reading, I'll pick it up from you.
I not understand, but
Alright, let me continue. Okay. But just keep saying, yeah? When I finish with my studies, I'll come
I called this meeting for us to have a common understanding. Sobe.
Uncle.
I have decided to ask you, what do you want in this family?
Uncle, I don't understand. Do you mean what I want this family to do for me?
Okay, don't worry. Let me put it this way. Do you want peace or war in this family?
Uncle, anyone. No. Because somebody cannot just sit down now, war will come. And the person will run away. So if it's war, me, I'll fight it though. Or if it's peace, I'll enjoy it.
Papa, did you hear her?
Shh, Ijoma. Shut up. Sobe,
Uncle.
I want you to understand this. You are part of this family. If anything happens outside, you will still come back to us. I know you have been moving around with that yellow pawpaw called Arinze, but you are not yet married to him. You have to be very, very careful with him. Listen, I want you to understand this. Arinze's late father was a cunning man before he died. Arinze will not do anything he will not gain from it. Be careful. Let them not deceive you.
Uncle, you are not deceiving me. You are not deceiving me. Because when you were trying to kill me in this house with hypertension and stress, they were the ones that helped me. They are not deceiving me.
So, Bechuku, nobody wants to kill you. Remember, we used to live in peace in this house. All we are begging is for you to release that piece of land to your uncle. Let him sell it so that we can send money to your cousin Onyeka in the city to start up a business. And you too, you can have small money from it. Or won't you give him? I'll give him.
Why?
This one, you are being humble. Your shoulders are down. You are humble. You are talking gently. There is no land though. I've given the papers to Arinze. There's no land. So if anybody just press my neck when I'm sleeping at night, or if you just go down now and beat me to death, the land now belongs to Arinze. The land is Arinze's own.
Hey! Sobe, you are wicked. Hey! Sobe, for this thing you just did, you will not know peace in this house. You will see.
Wait. Sobe?
Uncle.
Sobe, I called you 3 times. For what you have just done, there will be war. Giving that document to that yellow pawpaw that calls himself Arinze, I will kill you. I will make sure I kill you, Sobe.
That's what I was saying now, Uncle. This is your real voice. This is your real voice. So when there's land, there's peace. When there's no land, there's war. This is your real voice now. Immediately I tell you that I've given the paper to Arinze, this one's manly real voice has come back. That's your real voice now. There's no land though. There's no land, Uncle. I've given the paper to Arinze.
Hi! Worst part is that I am here for what I did not know. What I did not do, rather. Manual labor.
Babe, now here you there, they cry. Eh? You there here, they cry. So wait till happen. See, make I tell you. If you begin cry today till tomorrow, you are still here. So the best thing for you is to accept this place and free your mind. Before you know it, very soon you will go. Eh? Stop stressing yourself.
Yeah. I'll be here. I will eat beans until my name will change to beans. I'll be here.
I am used to it.
What is that? Hey, Arinze has not still come to see me. How busy can it be in that school that Arinze cannot come and see me? Eh?
Arinze. Anyway, make I talk wetin concern me. I will advise you to stop crying. As this place don't accept you, you have to accept them back. So you go live long go. If not, you go lean. You go sick. Very soon, you die. I've talked my own.
So how did we do? The land has been sold. By Monday, the man will put money for me in my account. Then we'll start burial plans.
Good. Mama, please, what I want to say now is, when this money finally comes, we should mind how to spend it. So after the burial, we'll have something to hold on to.
Ijana, the money is big enough to accommodate everything. The money will help us go through the burial. Your brother will start the new business. Me, I will start something small. You can go back to school.
Mama, the money is big. The money is very big. 2.5 million naira. 2.5 million naira is very big. Where is that person that had been dragging? This is my father's land. This is my father's land. I will not tell you. I give the Arinze. Where is she? She's now cooling off in the prison. Eh? She's now there smelling rod. If only she will come. Let me see what she will do when she will come out. If only she will come out.
Forget that one. Forget her. Arinze is in school now, flexing and enjoying his life in school. She's there, roasting in the prison. Papa wondered, you didn't know.
My children, no matter how you see it, Sobe is better than your father. No matter how many years you spend in that prison, she will still come out and continue with her life. But your father is gone and gone forever.
Mama, stop crying. Eh? Crying now will raise my anger. I will start thinking of what to do to Sobena. I wouldn't want to go to that prison and kill her. Mother.
Inka, please don't think to that side.
She's making Mama is cry because of her now.
Mama will hold herself, don't worry. Don't think that's what you're thinking of. Eh? Let me tell you, if she had listened to Papa, this wouldn't have happened. Nobody would have died and nobody would have gone to prison. Eh? No matter how you see it, Sobe is still a member of his family. Don't you can kiss Sobe. Thinking like you to go to prison.
This opportunity, I will just murder her.
Udoka! Udoka!
Brother, you're welcome. I was in the restroom when you came back.
How dare you? How dare you insult my wife?
Brother, you slapped me?
And I will slap you again if you ever in your life insult my wife.
You slapped me because of this thing, brother! It's because of this girl you call a wife! You slapped me! Because of you, Joe! They slapped me because of you! Just get ready for my mother! I will tell my mother! Just get ready for my mother! You will see what, Joe! But I leave me alone!
Catch.
Baby, don't stress yourself.
She's supposed to insult you.
It's okay.
No, my guy, Nina is on my neck. She's not giving me breathing space.
She's on your neck and does it matter? She loves you. That's what matters. And if she wants to go to the prison with you, is anything wrong with that?
Honestly, I don't know how you reason. Have you for once wondered how Sobe would feel If she finds out I'm seeing another girl, you just talk without thinking.
Guy, life goes on. It doesn't matter. What matters is your life. And also what matters is what you will gain from Nina. You don't know what you will gain from Nina. See, let me tell you. Have you asked yourself this question? How will you feel? You finish your studies, no job.
How do you mean will I get a job? Of course I'll get a job.
Or you want to end up marrying that village DJ. Or you want to go back to the village so that you can start your life with her. You know what you want? You have a woman of substance as a wife to be. All you need now is concentrate on her. Move on with her.
Well, my initial plan was to sell that land once I'm done with school and establish with that money. That was our plan. But as it stands now, we can't achieve that. Yeah? That girl will be heartbroken.
Guy, turn a blind eye to her feelings. Be a man. That is what is important right now. Be a man. That is what is important right now. You have to be a man. Okay, when do you think she will come out? Let me ask you. Have you thought of where you will be with Nina? Have you thought about that one? Have you thought of where you will be with Nina, either America or anywhere in the world? So they will understand that you have your life to pursue, you have your future to pursue. Please.
Hello, Mama. Yes, Mama. I am not fine at all. Mama, I am not fine at all. Mama, you need to see this beating. You need to see the beating, Mama. Your son humiliated me in front of this thing he calls a wife. Huh? No, Mama, I won't take it. He said by tomorrow morning I should leave the house. And you know I'm not going to leave this house. You have to come fast. I'm not going to leave this house, Mama. You have to come here tomorrow morning. Because what I will do to her, she will not like it. Yes, Mama. Yes! She has come to put us apart. You've seen it now. She has come to put us apart. You really have to come fast because what I will do to these people, you won't like it. What I will do to this girl, you won't like it, Mama. Come. But I'm going to gym with her. I will not take it. Alright. See you tomorrow morning. Can I have a word with you? I don't have anything to say to you. Just wait until tomorrow morning. You will see what you have done to yourself.
Really? So she called her mother for me. Very well then. Let's see how it goes.
Oh! Hey, Mama! Oh, Mama! My daughter, you're welcome once again. Thank you.
This is your son's in-laws house. In other words, your daughter's house. So feel free, relax, and enjoy yourself.
I have come. Hi! Who is troubling you? Njide is here. Let them trouble me. Let them see.
Mama, sit down. Mama, relax. No shaking. Oh.
You brought your mother into my son's house. Right? My own son's house, Ujunwa. So you have the guts to bring your mother. I'm asking you. That means you're not afraid of me. You are daring me.
Mama, I have not said anything to you.